I'll be directing this op. The Drifter's on the ground running his con, so don't startle if you hear Bale on the line. He can't hear us.
Wait, what do you mean, con? Cozying up to Bale so he won't notice the Guardian shutting off the shield generator. That's his con! Oh, I'm so mad! God, I'm so proud. I want in. Welcome aboard. Rao's got her legionaries all dressed up for the show. Think you'll like that part.
Are we friends, Hope?
Of course we are.
I've been having doubts about sex.
You know, the last emissary walked out on the 9. Took some doing, but she got there in the end.
I'm not an emissary, though. I'm nothing to the 9 but a broken weapon.
That's stealth out the window. Go on, Guardian. Ambush them back.
They passed the test. Now we wait for them to get here.
Hey, just enough time for a chat between friends.
Exactly what I was going to say to you. A few details to settle, and your fate is achieved. Perhaps we don't need 6 to retake the city. We could do it. Just the 2 of us. your perseverance, I feel pride. You're proud. Thank you. Thank you. Hope, we do this now. We will retake our home and ties to our benefactor in gratitude. Every light will be smothered and every ghost obliterated. Finally, we are needed. I know my purpose now. Show me I'm not alone in this stretch and hope. No matter what happens.
Anything you want. Tell Six I got my head around the vision he gave me. I know what path I'm gonna take.
I knew you would.
his tops are getting past impact, but we gotta set him up. My scans show power running from the generator underground. Let's see if we can disrupt it.
Any blip in power should make the generator vulnerable, and Nightfall's defenses with it.
The shank. You kiss your mother with that mouth? Getting a call from our favorite line cook.
That you, hero? Blue? If you're trying to use the splicer shank to get in, afraid Bale's a step ahead of you. Listen, I need your help. Come to the command center, put your guns down, and I'll let you in.
I spent so long not talking. I forgot. Better off when I'm talking to you. I want to help you close the deal.
I can't involve you, Blue. You need to be 1,000,000 miles from here. The Vision wants you dead.
Playing possum buys you a clean distraction.
Bale and Six want to see you taken apart.
Then that's what we give him. Bale's still just a guardian. That means he's a mark. You remember the first warlord we hunted in the Dark Age? The prick who irradiated Darrigan Valley?
Oh, yeah. His ghost was hiding. We smoked the ghost out, and
we run the same plan on Bale. I'll be okay. I trust you.
Thanks, Blue.
Think something nice next time you see Rao. Her crew's disguises are perfect. Shut off the generator, and Nightfall Station's shields come tumbling down. Go on. Drifter knows what he's doing. I think.
Are you done, Hope? All stands ready for the weapon.
Yeah, weapons on their way. We're all in this together now.
Six, I am yours. Bend your head for the crown, or bend it in grief. You are called to your service eternal.
Understood.
You've done well. Finish it. And the Imperium is yours to lead.
Cool it, kid. They'll get everything that's coming to them. I need you, Blue.
You always do. You sold us out, you wretch. Why now?
Survival. Only one play left.
I've saved your sorry ass so many times. This is how it ends.
I got no choice.
Please don't do this! I can still help you!
You already have.
I chose you. And this is how you repay me? Never trust a Trajan. Get me out of here!
Where's your ghost, kid? Where's your ghost? Where's your ghost? When I kicked this gig off, I had a fear. I knew the Nine were behind Bale and the Imperium. Thought I'd do the scoundrel thing and leap before I look. Pull the rest of y'all with me. I let the hook set and didn't fight it. Thought it would be easier to let fate drag me along as well.
Getting a little shaggy dog, Drifter.
I hurt you, Blue.
Yeah, you did. I won't forget that. Let's clean this up first.
Take it away, Blue.
Loom's flagship is in orbit around the Nightfall station. We're gonna hit it first. 2 birds, 1 stone. I'll take shotgun with the Guardian.
Woo! Pinching me that quick?
No, you're a ride. We're finishing this together.
Right. Together.